Can you have chips and ice cream in space?
All right, that's a loaded question because, all right, chips. I'll tell you about chips. So when I first came to work there, we were never sending chips because they would get broken. They would make crumbs. They would be a mess on orbit because you would open the bag, the crumbs would. So nobody ever tried to take chips. But then when we got the canned chips, like Pringles in the can, then the astronauts started trying to take those to orbit in their preference. And we told them, we said, that's going to be a mess because even though it's in a can, there's still a lot of crumbs. And sure enough, a few of them tried it, but then they came back and said, no, it's way too messy. No, you can't take chips. So chips don't work. Now, we don't have freezers for ice cream, but occasionally when they're sending a cargo vessel to orbit that has a freezer on it, that means they're going to bring back frozen medical samples. So the freezer goes up empty because they're going to load it with frozen samples and bring it back. And when it goes up empty, we can send things like Dove bars and stuff like that. And but they have to eat them right away because they got to fill that freezer with medical for the return trip home.